smell what the rock is cooking. Rock time. Let's do this. Morning sunshine, yeah, that's what the rock just said. Open your eyes up, get your candy ass out of bed. Beep, 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 beep. I can do this all morning. Beep, beep, beep. It's all you. You got this. It's all you. You got this. Bring it. If you smell, time to lay it and smack it down. Boom. This is Dwayne Johnson, and I've approved this message. Finally. If you smell, jabroni. Let's roll. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Ring, ring.
All right, good morning, Rock Clock, Project Rock. Good morning, very early morning here in the Iron Paradise where it all begins and where it all ends. The House of Steel, the House of Iron, where we bless the steel, where we are blessed by the iron. We are in the business of kicking ass and taking names, and right now business is good. I could come up with many other nicknames for this place, but I don't want to waste your time. Good morning, get after your goals, chase your greatness. It's that time. I have got my extra large cup